carpet hairball, dude. Enzo, hello. An ostrich? What the hell? I've seen that spider. What time it is? Tunnel time.
Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up, pick it up. You see the drippy, I'm fitted up. Hop in my car and the giddy up. Secure the bag, yeah, I get the bus. Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up.
Traffic jam. Prius. All white. Limited premium. Fresh crab. We have officially taken over the gas station.
The rear pipe just keeps on going.
You know that's off, right?
Oh yeah. The wing just keeps on going. Full
You got
stage.
Bentley Mulliner interior, right?
Yes. Yeah, he's not nothing.
What you got in the truck? I got that good stuff.
You got that bag?
I got that good stuff. I love it.
I got that. Yeah, he's not nothing. Don't worry about it.
With the blue headphones, that thing is so loud that the headphones are like necessary. This is like the new drug deal. You see what I'm saying? It's like, what you got in the truck? What you got in the truck? I got that good stuff.
You got that bag?
I got that good stuff. Germex. The real shit. This thing, bro,
Next level.
is wild.
I don't even know his wheel specs, but like, I mean, you come back here. -48. It just keeps on going. It just keeps on going. Actually, you can't even go too far because then you're gonna poke your hands out.
Well, I think they put that on purpose. And like,
Of course,
back
yeah.
up. You're going too far.
The rear pipe just keeps on going. The wing just keeps on going.
Look at those exhausts. And look at that wing.
Well, I mean, they're 14
Oh, the trunk's
wise.
functional.
Yeah,
The trunk's functional.
Yeah, like up to here. Then it's not. That's what you
This thing is crazy. This is the craziest thing I've ever seen. This thing is off the floor though. You know that's off, right?
Oh yeah.
Hold on, Jerry, let's see that.
Yeah. Full
You got
stage.
Bentley Mulliner interior, right?
Yeah.
This is straight up exactly like the Bentley. Hey, look at the back of the Ferrari. What does it say?
What are the odds of that?
Enzo!
What are the odds of that?
Isn't that crazy? I just saw that. Okay, we're in it. Oh! 458, we got Jack Ultramotive for this R8, 578 Spider, 812 Supercar, 720S, 600 LT Spider, McLaren GT, and 650S Spider. Clocks. To screen, to wood. To screen, to clocks. What do you think, Billy? This is what you like? This guy likes big everything. He's like, I need a big Escalade truck, I need a big flying spur. We got Wyatt, we got Tim, we got Jack in the back. How's this back? You got the Grey Poupon stuff back there?
You literally have a window that blocks you from your SUV trunk. so you can't like communicate with the person you're kidnapping back there.
You're like, don't talk, don't speak.
Look at the camera, rocking.
That's huge.
This is a front-facing camera.
And then look, if you want to go the night vision, boom. Night vision.
Do it? Oh, it does it
Night
in the
vision.
daylight?
Yeah,
Night vision in the daylight.
night vision in the daylight, Billy's.
Just gonna press this door button.
Oh, you guys lowered it.
Very nice.
Would you rather have the glass roof or would you have the stars?
I'd go glass roof so I could actually see the real stars.
This.
I'd go stars because we're in Washington. So what do you guys do?
I do YouTube for a living. Yeah.
I love how that sounds. I do YouTube.
You know this guy?
He's
We
trying to get into
came
the
together
game.
over here.
Huh?
Yeah, he's trying to get into the
I'm
YouTube
new in
game
the
here.
game.
He's already got the better mic. You see his furry like cat on here? Yeah.
This is just for that win, man. The tunnels. This is
Oh yeah.
Hey, Jack. You know this has got 95,000 miles? 95,000.
So higher than both of us.
He's gonna hit 100 this summer. The flag on the back there. The flag on looks great. Still looks great. Him and Jamie with a McDonald's cup. I love it. They're gonna be so pissed off that I showed up with a McDonald's cup, and that's a large McDonald's cup too. Jamie, William, you know I love you guys. McDonald's?
Isaac, he recorded the McDonald's cup.
Inside the 458.
I knew it. I was gonna throw it away.
20? You're going into 720? Okay.
5 minutes.
Wait,
10
no
minutes.
way.
You want to?
Yeah, I'm freaking down.
Come on. Jack's a co-pilot. Jack's having a great day out here.
I am. Don't kill me.
I won't. And it's a spider. Yeah, this one's slightly different. It's at the top.
Goodbye. I may not
love
come back. I may never see you again.
You ready for this?
I was born ready.
Oh, damn. Hey, John, I think I got the wrong key.
No, you don't. It's in the center console.
Yeah, I got it, but it's not trying to. It's not feeling me right now.
Yeah, it is. Push the brake all the way down.
I'm deep.
Oh.
Deep enough. I've been
Yeah,
missing leg day. They have Gold's Gym has been closed. Gold's Gym has been closed, right, Bree?
That's right.
See?
That's right.
I'm missing leg day.
I'm not deep.
Holy crap. Dude, this thing soars.
With the, I think is it a 50 cal? It is a 50 cal.
This selection's just gonna suck all around.
Oh. You know what I'm saying?
What time it is? Tunnel time.
Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up. You see the drip, yeah, I'm fitted up. Hop in my car and the giddy up. Secure the bag, yeah, I get the bus. Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up.
Jack's got the special gloves, dude. Tell us about the gloves.
Oh, these are to protect my Alcantara steering wheel.
Oh, are they really? Prius. All white. Limited. Premium. Like, let's call it.
Ford Focus.
Matching box. Transformer truck. Kia Forte.
So wait, how long on YouTube have you been? Like 2 weeks?
Yeah.
And you're already stooping this low?
A week, yeah.
He's already filming just regular
I'm
cars
going down to
driving by.
Prius Premium.
Yeah.
Yay! We're on the move. We made it about 500 yards.
Here comes the vlog. I broke down again.
Hey, don't blame that on me. Don't blame that on me.
Holy.
That's crazy. I hope you're all right. That was a huge accident that just happened right in front of us. And another one. Hey, we need to get the f out of here right now. We passed the entering Auburn sign and went sour. His shit broke down. That got into accident. That Malibu almost got blasted.
And that's just a thing. Yeah. he's waiting at the light. That looks so out of place.
This is a crazy area. We got to get out of here. Nowhere, America. It's time to go. Okay, we are giving up on the Lotus. We are not going to be trying to jump it, fix it, tool kits. We're calling it a tow truck. It's official. 3 strikes, you're out. There you go. Hey, I like that. All right, me and Jack are switching cars. He's going to test out the 570S Spider. Oh, this is why he's wearing the gloves?
Yeah.
So fancy.
I know, right?
1, 2, 3, go!
Yeah.
I should be happy about that. That's sad about that. I just don't like losing. Very nice. We gotta go at a decent speed, or his box will fly off. So. Yeah. That's how I look when I'm driving.
Yeah.
Got it.
We're
going on here is full demo.
That's these J's. Retro Force. Turn around. Look, Retro Force with the Nike Air bottoms. I'm beaten up by Jordan Air bottoms. What are those? These are special. Killing these. My God. I'm gonna get you some other Nikes, man. You need some black ones just to beat up. Bye.
Came back to the city with my bank account on F. Giving rappers, I know they happy that I left. Hit the south in winter, I just put down my deposit. 82 degrees, I left that jacket in my closet. I'm in the mood for a switch up. I hit the function, hit the rose till I hiccup. I hit the stage and leave with money that's a stick up. She picture perfect, so I told him I'm a flick up. They wanna knock me down, but somehow I just stay up. Hey, look, came in with the what's that? Left out with the lows.
Guys, you got that thing tuned? Is it tuned? Is it tuned? It's built. That's why. It sounds crazy.
Smoke.
That thing is tuned, but yours is badass. Say hi.
Hi.
Is that your sneeze?
Oh, God. My allergies, man. Yeah, I took a drink.
Dude, that's like a squeak. What the? Mine is like thunder. That's like a squeak. We'll see you guys later. Dude, I finally called them like after I told them to send it like 6 times. I'm like, man, where is my helicopter license application and brochure? They're like, dude, we sent it like 6 times. I'm like, you're against brown people. All right, Nike employee store. Get ready for action.
Oh, there's a line.
What the hell? All right, guys, Nike employee store. We've made it.
There's a line at the employee store?
And there's a line. All right, guys, we're going inside. They won't let cameras in, so we'll see you guys when we get back. Bye-bye. All right, we got a line out here. We're in here. Feel about wearing Yeezys at the Nike employee store. Don't lose boss. So disrespectful. You got this guy right here. He's gonna be real mad. That might be the Nike curse. Yeezys at the employee store.
I'm gonna drink myself.
Back from the Nike store. Bags on bags. Not bad.
Not bad.
We're at Ferrari Portland. We finally made it. Oh yeah. Hit that door, Omer. Let's ride.
I have 12.
I love it. Very nice.
Access denied.
Is that your McLaren?
Sacrilege, I know it. But I still have the chance to run. I'm balancing myself out. I'm balancing myself out. Wow. F12, that thing is a beast. Enzo, hello. Dude, it looks like it's like wrapped in plastic, but it's not. Like all that carbon clear on there. Red on red. Love it. Engine, all carbon. Dude, this thing is huge. It's huge. It's so, I don't know if you guys can see it in the camera, it's so freaking wide. Oh, these are the Enzo brakes, also on the Challenger Dolly. Oh, the carbon shifters and the shifters, also on the Challenger Dolly. Enzo, just crazy. Looks like an F1 car. See how there's lines right here? Hey, F40. Dude. Anybody that knows about these, you love them. Another monster.
Must be a lot of lookalikes, like you buying Ferraris from there.
There's only one FQ. See what happens.
You know, this is like fishing with dynamite.
Why do you need anything faster than that? Like dude, you don't need anything quicker than that.
No. So the good part and the bad part is the roads are right here. The bad part is we're usually good for about one fun test drive, and then we got to go a different way because the neighbors, you know, it's like
those f***ing Ron Duncan guys are out again. Goddamn.
What's behind you is not important.
That doesn't matter. Park forward. Okay.
He must be a cool guy.
He's not as big. Is that a f***ing ostrich? Tell me this is recorded. What the hell? I wish I had a camera angling at these ostriches that popped out of my ass. There was ostriches and what's the other freaking, that lamb thing with the long hair, the shag lamb?
The llamas or the alpacas or something.
The ones that spit at you.
Yeah.
I try to explain this guy. If you're cleaning your car and you wash your car, wax your car, you cannot have chapped tires. Okay? Chapped tires on a black car, especially. Well, here's what it looks like. Let's just say you saw someone, I won't say male or female, perfect person, pretty, whatever, right? Chapped ass lips. You'd be like, damn, that's something wrong.
What does it mean by that on tires though?
Dude, okay, the back has a little bit more like old juice on it. It's a little bit like, okay, this is chapped, dry, and it turns brown. So what I'm saying, look at the difference between the back and the front. If I put juice on this right now, it's gonna look like a brand new car. You have to put juice on the tires or it will still look dirty. It won't look like you got it cleaned.
God, now I'm gonna have to go on Amazon and buy a whole bunch of
No,
tires,
we're gonna go to like O'Reilly's over here. I'm gonna get juice, I'm gonna spray it on for you to show you.
So give me the juice, yeah, give me the juice.
Then we're gonna see the before and the after, okay? That's what we're doing. We're going before. You guys comment in there, tell me what you think about this. Before and after, which one do you like better? Okay, before. And then we'll do an after later. Final juice verdict. Chapped brown tire or lip gloss? Juice. Final juice verdict. Much better with juice. Clean car has to have juice. If it doesn't have juice, it's still not clean. What's your final thoughts? Much better?
A lot better.
Was I right?
Yes.
Were you wrong?
Half wrong.
Wow. We started in a box truck. Went to the McLaren in Portland. Guess now where we're at. U-Haul. Going back to a box truck. This is our construction mobile. I'll fix this. That's not safe. Coming out of the gutters. Jordans are sinking. We need new carpet here. Oh, we got some more friends in the gutter. Turds. More turds. I'm trying to avoid the turds. The Jordans do not want to hit the turds. Nice. You got a plunger? What do you think about that?
Door?
No, the carpet. I think you're gonna sleep on that with the pillow.
They're gonna
That's
take
fine.
the carpet.
I've been through worse.
Well, this is Jack. I'm Haley.
Oh, you're recording.
I just want some chicken fingers.
Jesus fuck. Very nicely done.
Winning. Traffic jam.
This is the I can buy your family car.
Yeah.
This is I already bought your family. Fresh crab. Okay. What the hell?